10 o'clock in Norwegian time. It's cold outside, so I'm back in Madiscarding Mama. Video for today, I'm making family breakfast. Just as simple. Gagawa ko na potato with ham. Pina-fry ko siya sa onion. Hindi ko na siya ginamitan ng oil, guys, dahil ma-oil siya na. So, ganyan lang, guys. I-fry lang natin hanggang siyang a little bit brown color yung potato. At ito naman yung sunod kong ginawa. That is, nag-fry din ako ng bacon. Ipaliktarin lang natin sa guys, sa gilid. And then, medium temperature dahil madaling masunog siya. Yan. Pina-fry ko lang siya. Simple and easy and yummy. That is it. Yan. That is my bacon. And then, I have the tomato beans nga nasa can siya, guys. Usually lang namin i-warm lang siya para it's still warm, hot, kasi nasa box lang siya, ready lang siya i-serve na. So itong ginawa ko pang during Sunday and Saturday. So that is family breakfast in cold temperature. So that is it, guys. Medyo maano na siya, ma-brown na siya. Yan, okay na siya. Ito na, guys. Ang sunod natin gawin, yan. At ito din yung natin, yung bacon. So, ilipat natin ito sa isang bowl. Ito, dahil mag-fry din tayo ng egg. That is, it is done! Dito. Guys, may sunod tayong gawin. Mayroon tayong hot na pan. Kaunting uwi lang, guys, not much. Painitin lang natin. Ito ay warm na siya, guys. Ready na siya i-serve. So, i-off na natin. At ito din, okay na siya yung natin bacon. Okay na, medyo maano na siya. Luto na siya. Yan. So, ready na yung natin breakfast. Ang sunod natin gawin, guys, gumawa tayong egg sunny side up, guys. Kasi yan talaga ang kapareho dito sa natin breakfast natin. So, gagawa tayo ng 4 na egg. Yan. Instead i-off ko, pinupul ko. Yan, gagawa tayo ng 4 kami. Pero usually kasi, pag kumakain yung mga anak ko, usually sa kanila ay 2. So, ito na, guys, muna yung 3. Pina-fry. And then, the bacon is done na, guys. It's yummy. Naka-off na ito. Kailangan ng i-off is ready na to i-serve. So, that is for Sunday family breakfast. Ano siya? Yung tomato beans, and then yung natin yung fried bacon, of course, and that is my potato ham and onion, of course, sunny side up egg. So that is for breakfast today. Eat coffee. Hindi yun mawala yung coffee namin dito, guys. Coffee is life. That is for dinner today, guys. Let's eat.